Welcome children in bio class. Children, you studied for the elimination of nitrogenous metabolic waste from the body. In the human being is well developed organ system. That organ system is called urinary system. So you see the structure of the urinary system. It is the human urinary system. This system is found in the human beings. Kidneys are the chief excretory organs, not only in human beings but in all the vertebrates. And kidney play very important role in maintaining body chemistry, in maintaining homeostasis. They remove waste that produced during cellular metabolism, as well as toxic substances, and excess of non-toxic material is also removed by the kidney. So this is the structure of the kidney. There are two kidney. One is left kidney and other is right kidney. The kidney are located in the upper posterior part of the abdominal cavity on side of the vertebral column. So there in the mid is the vertebral column. On the side of the vertebral column, left kidney is present on the left side and right kidney is present on the right side. So their position is in the low posterior part of the abdominal cavity on either side of the vertebral column. Children, we have two kidney, left kidney and right kidney. Both kidney not lie in the same position. You see, both are not lie in the same position. Their right kidney is slightly lower. See, this is the right kidney, and this right kidney position is slightly lower than left kidney. Left kidney is slightly above, and kidney is protected by 12 pairs of ribs. Both kidney, left kidney and right kidney, both are protected by 12 pairs of ribs. When you see the structure of the kidney, kidneys are dark red bean seed in shape, and there is a depression one side. So this depression is called hilum, and it is present on the concave side. So when you see the structure of the kidney, you will find there is this portion is the convex side and this portion is the concave side. It is convex and this is concave. So on the concave side there is depression, and this depression is called hilum. And from the hilum, ureter originates. So this tubular structure which has originated, this is called ureter. From the left kidney is the left ureter, and from the right kidney is the right ureter. Both ureters will open in the urinary bladder. So this bladder is called urinary bladder. Kidney filter the blood and form the urine. So that urine from the kidney through this ureter comes and store in the urinary bladder. And their urinary bladder has an outlet. So this outlet of the urinary bladder is called urethra. So urinary bladder, from the urinary bladder there is a tubular structure has extended to the outside. This is known as urethra, and it has a muscular urethral sphincter. So this is the muscular sphincter, and this sphincter closes the opening of urethra. It closed. Only it will open and allow to pass the urine during the widening of urine. In the kidney, there is the supply of the blood. So to supply the blood in the kidney, there is blood vessels. So these blood vessels are renal artery and renal vein. Renal artery supply oxygenated blood. So this blood vessel is called abdominal aorta. Branch of the abdominal aorta is the renal artery. So there is left renal artery that supply oxygenated blood to the left kidney, and there is a right renal artery. It supply oxygenated blood to the right kidney. Other blood vessel there is. This blood vessel is called inferior vena cava, and branch of there is a blood vessel which take the blood from the kidney and supply to it. So this is called renal vein, and this renal vein take the blood from the kidney to the inferior vena cava. And when blood is coming in the kidney, so inside the kidney there is filtration of the blood. On the top of the kidney there is a cape-like structure. This cape-like structure is adrenal gland. It is not part of the urinary system. It has no any role in the formation of urine, or there is no role in the function of kidney. So it is adrenal gland. So children, I told about the urinary system. Urinary system of human consists of two kidney. There are two ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. There are blood vessel, that is abdominal aorta, which supply oxygenated blood to the kidney, and other is inferior vena cava or posterior vena cava. It carry deoxygenated blood from the kidney to the heart. So this complete structure I told, that is human urinary system.